If you're looking into Field Genius AI, this brand new tool is making waves, and there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you try it. I've used thousands of AI tools across marketing, sales, and lead gen, and this one's got some standout features that set it apart. Stick around, because one of the points near the end will save you hours of frustration if you plan to use this in your workflow. You can try Field Genius completely free from the first link in the description below, no credit card needed, and you'll get access to all the core tools to test it out properly. Now, let's get into what matters. Field Genius AI is designed to help businesses automate form filling and lead capture, but it's far more than just a form builder. It's powered by real-time AI suggestions, meaning it doesn't just store form templates. It adapts based on context. This is huge if you're doing high-volume outreach or customer onboarding. Most tools just dump a form on your site. Field Genius actually optimizes the conversion and interaction with every submission. Next, its data enrichment feature is shockingly good. You can input just a few fields, and Field Genius will auto-populate business info, LinkedIn profiles, even revenue ranges, cutting your manual research time by 80%. For marketers or SDRs, this makes it a beast for qualifying leads faster than traditional CRMs. It also integrates natively with most major CRMs and email tools, HubSpot, Zapier, Salesforce, you name it. And the cool part, it learns over time. Your best performing fields and responses train the system to improve results automatically. Now the interface, clean, fast, no clunky dashboard. You can set up workflows in literally under 5 minutes. That's rare, especially for something this powerful. And if you've used AI tools that promise smart automation but then drown you in setup, you'll notice the difference instantly. Another underrated feature, it's AI follow-up assistant. After someone fills out your form, Field Genius can generate and send personalized follow-up emails or SMS messages based on what they entered. That alone replaces the need for another 40-month automation tool. But here's something important. Field Genius works best when you actually feed it real use case data. It's not a one-click magic bullet. It's a smart system that gets better the more you use it. I've seen people give up too early because they didn't train it with meaningful inputs. Last but not least, pricing. It's aggressively competitive. For what you get, especially the AI enrichment and autofill tools, it's easily underpriced for early adopters. But I wouldn't be surprised if the price goes up soon after this early release period. So, is Field Genius AI worth it? If you're in sales, marketing, or anything where lead gen and smart forms matter, absolutely. Especially if you're sick of wasting time on tools that overpromise and underdeliver. Again, you can try Field Genius AI for free from the link below. And if you found this helpful, I've listed a few of my top recommended AI softwares in the description too. Tools I've tested personally after trying thousands over the last year. Check those out. And if you test Field Genius, let me know what you think.